What if, right now, for just 5 seconds, every single molecule of oxygen on Earth disappeared? No warning, no time to react, just 5 seconds. That could silently destroy the world you know. You're outside, maybe walking down a street, checking your phone, cars passing by, people talking, everything feels normal, and then suddenly, something feels wrong. The air feels empty, you look up, and the sky is no longer blue. It's turning darker, deeper, almost black. People around you slow down, confused. No one understands what just started. Oxygen isn't just something you breathe. It makes up about 21% of the air around you. It helps create air pressure, it scatters sunlight to make the sky blue, and it's part of the ground beneath your feet. Remove it, even for a few seconds, and the balance of Earth begins to collapse. In the first second, everything changes instantly. Every fire on Earth goes out, engines stop, cars lose power, planes begin to fail mid-air. Anything that depends on combustion just dies in silence. The sky continues to darken because without oxygen, light no longer scatters the same way. By the second second, your body begins to notice. You don't collapse immediately, but something feels off. Your brain starts to panic. You feel dizzy, lightheaded. Your chest tightens as if something is missing, because it is. Then comes something most people never think about: air pressure. Oxygen plays a major role in maintaining it. Without it, pressure drops suddenly. Your ears may pop violently. For some, even eardrum could rupture. The world feels unstable, like reality itself is breaking. But the real danger is happening above you. The ozone layer, in which protects Earth from harmful solar radiation, depends on oxygen. Without it, even for a moment, the sun's radiation reaches the surface directly. It's invisible, but dangerous. The environment starts to react in ways you can't even see. And now, the final second. Oxygen is part of water molecules, and even part of the Earth's crust. Without it, the structure of materials weakens. The ground beneath you feels unstable. Concrete begins to crack. Bridges weaken. It's only been 5 seconds, but the world is already breaking apart. And then, just as suddenly as it vanished, oxygen returns. You take a breath. Everything should be normal again, right? But it isn't. The damage is already done. Planes that lost control have crashed. Fires didn't restart. Cities are in chaos. People are confused, scared, trying to understand what just happened. Hospitals begin filling up. Communication systems struggle, and no one has an explanation. Just 5 seconds. That's all it would take to remind us how fragile everything really is. The air you never think about is the only reason you're still alive. If this made you think, imagine what else could happen that we never even considered. Subscribe to As I Was There, because here you don't just watch the story, you experience it.